Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to operate a quick in-depth review about this IT management platform, which is Pulseway. So let's dive into it. Pulseway remains a strong contender in the IT management space, especially for small to mid-sized business and also solo IT professionals. What sets Pulseway apart is its mobile-first approach, allowing you to monitor, manage, and automate its IT infrastructure from your smartphone or tablet. It also supports real-time remote desktop, patch management, and server monitoring across Windows, macOS, and Linux, along with integrations for popular platforms like Microsoft 360, VMware, and cloud service. That said, larger enterprise might find Postway scalability limited compared to heavier platforms like ConnectWise or Super OPS. Some users also note that advanced scripting and automation can take time to fully leverage. And here's the real conclusion. If you're looking for an agile, mobile-friendly IT management platform with excellent real-time control in 2025, Postway is one of the best pick for IT teams that value flexibility and speed. Hope you find the video useful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.